Using an Android emulator is a great way to access Android apps on your computer. Many use an emulator for gaming to be able to use their keyboard, mouse or game controller. You can also run other types of Android apps as well. With so many emulators to choose from, we've come up with list of the top 7 Android emulators for your PC. And testing, we look at the features available, stability, ease of use, and the overall user experience to determine the best. Let's get started. Starting off, our countdown at number 7 is LD Player. LD Player is a free Android emulator using the virtualization technology, and it can help people experience Android operation system on their powerful computers. It is one of the best and lightest Android emulators for Windows. One advantage LD Store can bring to you is that you don't need to sign in the store to download applications. Compared with Google Play, LD Store really makes the download process simpler and easier. This could be very useful and efficient for some mobile users to install various apps and games as a default Play Store. Play games on a bigger display, show more details, more familiar and better controls, play with keyboard and mouse, true multitasking, run multiple windows simultaneously, faster processing power, no lags and crashes, no battery draining, longer gameplay, and non-overheating. Number 6. Game Loop. You don't need a browser to watch live streams. The emulator can effortlessly live stream for you. It's the fastest Android gaming emulator that can work perfectly on a PC. The games are integrated for fast download by the touch of a button. The emulator leverages the powerful GPU, CPU, and RAM that makes gaming more thrilling than when on a mobile platform. The app has a game center where you can download multiple games without the need of mapping settings, since Tencent already assigns them. The tool has a new network acceleration feature that enables you to optimize your network connection. It's straightforward to install games with Tencent Game Loop. It supports multiple languages from all over the world that promotes universal gaming experience. You can adjust software configuration for better optimization. The tool has an anti-cheat system to avoid hacks and game cheating, a product of Tencent security controls. But the software does not provide support for other types of apps. And it does not offer any other service apart from running your games well. Number 5. CoPlayer, whose main focus is gaming. It allows you to record your gameplay and upload it wherever you want it. It allows for key mapping to emulate a controller with your keyboard. When you first launch CoPlayer, it will ask which mode that you want and maximize game performance, select speed mode. If you've run into any issues after starting CoPlayer, you can switch to compatible mode later on in settings. Along the left you have several options. Here at the top, selecting the keyboard icon will let you edit the keys for your keyboard. If you're using a game controller, you can activate it and map it's your preferred layout. To switch from landscape to portrait mode, select the rotate screen icon. You'll also find other options for taking screenshots, recording, and sideloading apps. Like many of the Android emulators, you have full access to the Google Store to install apps. Just use caution like you would on your phone or tablet when choosing which apps to install. Unfortunately, on the home screen app icons can't be moved. CoPlayer is completely free, but like most emulators, you'll have to deal with the occasional ads. Number 4. Memu Player. Memu is completely free. Memu supports AMD and chipsets. It supports different Android versions such as Jelly Bean, KitKat, and Lollipop. You can run multiple instances at once for multiple games or testing features. Memu has key mapping. It can set your virtual location on Google Maps. Memu Android emulator supports NVIDIA chips. Although Memu advocates for high-performance gaming, the graphics performance is poor. Number 3. BlueStacks. Within minutes of installing App Player, we were able to download and launch numerous Android apps that come pre-installed and run them in a window or full screen. Although switching between modes requires a restart of the environment, Android apps perform well and have access to full graphics capabilities and network resources. Accelerometer, gyroscope, and pinch-to-zoom functions are emulated with mouse movements and key strokes. And business users from the desktop can easily access notes, voice recordings, to-do lists, and other data created on the road that would otherwise be stuck on the small screen. We also see app player benefits in the areas of education and gaming. The free version limits the number of apps on Windows at 36 at a time. Also clever is the app player synchronization feature, which automatically keeps apps in sync between an Android device and the app player environment on Windows. This is accomplished with a free Android app called Cloud Connect. After App Player installs on a machine, a prompt appears asking for Android device info, after which a code is generated that, once entered into Could Connect, enables the pairing of an Android device with the PC. Number 2. Andy. Andy, which is another popular Android emulator that's been around for many years and was also updated recently to Android Nougat. It has ton of features, including being able to use your phone as controller. I'll caution you right now. When installing Andy, that has a history of setting off antivirus or malware security software. At this time, Andy and the others mentioned in this video are completely to use as usual. Just be careful when installing apps into the emulators that you only choose the apps that you trust. As you can see, Andy more closely resembles Android, with a cleaner looking user interface than the others mentioned, with less clutter. Holding down left click on your mouse while in the window will bring up the options to change your wallpaper and widgets and go into your settings. Going back to the home screen, you had the familiar looking app drawer, which shows you the apps that you have installed. Quite simply, if you have ever used an Android device before, this just may be the easiest Android emulator that you will ever use. Andy is completely free for personal use. If you run a business, they do have a pro version, with plans starting at $12 per month. Number 1. Nox Player. Nox App Player is a free Android emulator dedicated to bring the best experience to users who would like to play Android games and apps on PC. By creating a virtual Android phone on PC, it combines Android games apps with the benefits of a bigger screen, better hardware performance and easier control. Nox App Player is compatible from Windows XP to the latest Windows 10 system. It even has Google Play Store out of the box, which made installing app game quite convenient. Keyboard mapping also makes it possible to use the traditional WASD key to control your character in games like Vainglory. And you can set other keys to release skills or take shots. Another eye-catching trick Nox App Player presents is that it could run several Android instances at the same time. If you have a big PC screen, the benefit is that you could line up all these windows and keep an eye on every app and game at the same time. This is like having several phones for real-time multitasking. Nox App Player also has a video recording function that allows Android players to record their gameplay with ease. It's really much easier for novices to record than share their gameplay. Screen could be captured in 720p as defaulted. Completed videos will be saved to your computer directly. There's also a built-in macro recorder in Nox. A macro recorder helps to record user actions for playback at a later time. Nox's macro recording feature is quite easy to use. Just click record and perform the routine tasks, save it, and choose to play it for just once or repeatedly as needed. This will save you a lot of time on repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching this video. All the links are in the description. Give this video thumbs up if it helped you out. If you use another emulator not mentioned that you think others should try out, let me know in the comments. If you haven't done so already, subscribe and click the bell notification icon for more videos from Q Tech.